Okay, this video is good for lesson 26 and 27, module 2. Divide decimal dividends by two-digit divisors, estimating quotients, and checking with multiplication. So I went ahead and got started here already using some skills we've already learned. We did 183 and 6/10 divided by 72. We started with an estimate of 140 divided by 70 equals 2, so we started with 2. Note that I put the 2 in the ones place, and we want to make sure that we have that decimal point in place there. So 2 times 72 is 144, which we solved and subtract, so we're now sitting at 39 and 6/10. Well, 39 we can't comfortably divide by 72, so we're going to rename 39 and 6/10 as 396 tenths. 396 tenths. So that is what we're working with at this time, that renamed 396 tenths. And so we're going to go ahead and estimate again. Multiple of 70 near 396 tenths is going to be 350 tenths. 350 tenths divided by 70 is going to give me 5 tenths. So our next part is 5 tenths. 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 times 7 is 35, and 1 is 36. So we then subtract, and we have 6 and 3. So we now are left with 3 and 6 tenths. So I could try renaming this in tenths, 36 tenths. 36 tenths still does not divide equally. And so what I could then do is rename this in hundredths. And even though I don't have anything in the hundredths place, I can add that 0 because it doesn't change the value of the number. And so now I'm doing 360 hundredths divided by 72. And if we estimate that, we would have 350 hundredths divided by 70, which equals 5 hundredths. So we have 5 hundredths times 72, and we get the same thing, which leaves us with 0 and a final answer of 2 and 55 hundredths. Let's go ahead and check that. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 5, tens gives us 10 tens plus 1 is 11. 2 times 2 is 4, and 1 is 5. Placeholder, 7 times 5, 35, 7 times 5, 35 plus 3, 38, and 14 plus 3 is 17. Go ahead and add those up. 0, 6, 3, 8, 1. So we divided by 100 here, so we're going to multiply by, or we multiplied by 100 here, so we're going to divide by 100 here, giving us 183 and 60 hundredths, or 6/10, which matches our dividend.